So starting the test drive in this Sierra 1500 here, we have the 4.3 V6, and the pickup is actually a lot better than I was expecting here. Now this manual seat is a bit hard to get right, but I'm trying to figure it out. It's like a sweet spot that it won't let you get to. But I had a 4.3 in a 2018 Silverado 1500. It was a custom. Love the truck, but the 4.6 was just too thirsty for me, and it just didn't feel like it had enough power compared to a V8. This one feels a bit more stout for whatever reason. It could just be because I haven't driven a truck in forever, but not terrible. Now, unfortunately, I won't be able to give it a really good pull here because of this 18-wheeler in front of me and it's people behind me, but I'm gonna try to get over and give it a pull. Here we go. So interesting. I mean, it did all right. Now the tires are very loud here with these aftermarket tires, aftermarket wheels, the lift. But I want to give a huge thanks to Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro for allowing me to review this truck today. I'll leave a link below in the description. If you're looking to find the best price on one of these closer to home, click that third link down below. It takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get to the best price on this or whatever pre-owned vehicle you might be interested in. But I mean, you know, it's the steering a little off center with the lift, but other than that, it's driving pretty nicely. Everything else is, you know, expected, including the off-centerness from having a lift put on here. Now this truck, for all that you get here, I think is priced pretty competitively, under 90,000 miles. This does qualify for a lifetime powertrain warranty from this dealer in particular, and $24,000, not a bad price in my opinion at all for what you get. And this is more of a, I think it's a pretty fun truck. I mean, you have to remember, you have four-wheel drive here, the Elevation Edition package, this off-road tire and wheel package, and then the lift kit. I mean, 24 grand, not bad at all. And I mean, you know, 24,000 isn't what it was in 2017 by a long shot, thanks to inflation, COVID, and all of that. But I like what we get here, getting the power mirrors, the express down windows. We have manual climate controls, but I actually like the knobs, and I like how adjustable this one is. I feel like you have more levels than what I'm used to, at least in a manual climate control vehicle. Whereas a lot of those vehicles have 5 levels of fan speeds. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. So. And then just having the 3-prong plug here, the 12-volt, it's a very practical pickup truck in my opinion. And it's funny, I didn't even know they had the 3-prong plug-ins down there at the bottom in these kind of trucks. I thought you had to upgrade to the bigger radio that had the plugs right there. So that was something I learned today. Or maybe I was just lucky with the trucks I got that had that additional option added. But I think just a great looking truck for the money. If anything, this truck is a bad boy. But again, you get the lifetime powertrain warranty here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, because this does have less than 100,000 miles, and it's less than 10 years old. And again, this V6, when I had mine, it just didn't feel as quick. It feels pretty good in here. And again, I don't know if this has been tuned or if it just feels different because of the lift kit or because I've only driven it 5 miles, but this is a good option, I think. Relatively fuel efficient, still fun to drive, and pretty tasteful mods done to this one in particular. So with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition.